It is the weekly drawing challenge here on Draw Every Day with JJK. Last week I gave you a prompt. This week I'm showing you how I would draw that prompt and showcasing the artwork that you sent in. Let's go. All right, everyone, welcome back to Draw Every Day with JJK. Last week I pulled out some of the papers from the idea jars and we came up with a prompt. I sent you on a mission to draw that prompt. I didn't show you how I would draw that thing. I'm going to draw it now and then showcase your artwork, and then I will pull some more ideas for the next prompt and we'll keep this going. Hey Drew, what did we get from the idea jars last week?
Oh, let me see. It was Giraffe dentist. Yeah, giraffe dentist.
Right, giraffe dentist. We are drawing a giraffe dentist this week. So let me get my draw cam situated here. Start my drawing as I always do by finding my shapes. And I like the concept of this being a regular sized dentist office with a giraffe trying to cram itself into that little space. Arms, and the body. And a little stool. And it's getting messy. But that's okay. Like I said, I'm finding my shapes. Do is I'll take out a Sharpie to create the finished line work here. Maybe that giraffe is filling a cavity right there. I'm going to give my giraffe glasses and a mask for safety. But I want to show that the giraffe is happy still, so I can't draw a smile because of the mask, so I'll draw a little line underneath the giraffe's eyes like so. Giraffe hair. Have the patient just folding their hands on their chest. I never know what to do with my hands when I'm at the dentist. So awkward. Having someone all up in your mouth like that. feet. Tiny little stool. Maybe buckling under the weight of a giant wild animal. Again, this is a this is a human-sized dentist office with a giraffe trying to do their work on the patient. Maybe all the tools have fallen by their wayside because there's not enough space for everyone. And here, let me just throw in a little bit of quick color here. Did not mean to put the yellow there. Let's see how I can disguise that. I'll use orange to disguise that. I'll give the giraffe a plaid shirt and blue pants. Pink dentist chair. And I'm going to put some more subtle colors on the patient. And there is my quickie sketch of the giraffe dentist. Okay, let's take a moment to check in with the pugs, and then we're going to celebrate all of the giraffe dentist drawings that were sent in.
Wow, an
Breaking.
orchard in South Carolina?
Okay, thank you, pugs. Oh, before we celebrate your giraffe dentist, let me give you the prompt for next week's drawing challenge. And I'm going to go with inanimate objects. And I'll go with superpowers. All right. Superpowers and inanimate objects. Let's start with inanimate objects. You can hear all the paper in there. Get right up to the mic. And drum roll, please, Drew. All right. The inanimate object is a donut. So we're going to be drawing a donut. And superpowers will be... Oh, drum roll. Yeah, drum roll. Hyperactivity. Definitely superpower. So, draw your hyper donut, and we'll see what kind of hyper donuts we get. And in the meantime, I, along with you, am going to enjoy all of these giraffe dentists that were sent in. Check it out.
Please click like and subscribe and keep drawing. See you soon!